Hey, what's going on, everyone? It's your boy Shad, and I'm feeling a little under the weather if you can't tell with my voice, but I wanted to get this video out really quick because I got a couple of new pickups the other day. One of them I'm very excited about, and the more I look at the shoe, this shoe could probably be a top release. Had it have been any other silhouette, it might have been a top release. What I'm talking about is the Air Jordan 1 Mid Fearless Maison Chateau I can pronounce that shit. Maison Chateau Rouge. You can see it in the back. Chateau Rouge. Kudos to Jordan brand for giving some love to the Air Jordan 1 Mid. The quality of most of these, haven't been the biggest fan of the Air Jordan 1 Mids. Matter of fact, I haven't been the biggest fan of the Air Jordan 1s in general. I'd say since like 2016, they've caught my eye. I've been wearing them a lot more. They go with a lot more of my clothes and things like that, so you know, I kind of dig them a little bit. So this shoe right here is something crazy, and if you slept on this shoe, I think you're making a mistake, especially if you cop some of the other Fearless Jordans. I think this is probably gonna be my favorite. The UNC, the Chicago version, blows that out of the water. I think this is much, much better. The colors between the vanilla, that's blue, I don't know what this blue's called, and the cinnamon color, it's the only colors that I know, and then the yellow, of course, I think are dope. Got this leather band here, feels soft to touch. The red stitching, reminiscent of the Union 1 Jordans. I mean, obviously it's not the same caliber, but you know, a dope touch nonetheless. You don't have a D-Boss Wings logo, but you do have, it looks like a patch where you've got the cinnamon lettering in there. And I don't know if you guys can catch that, I don't know if the camera's catching it, but you can see the texture across the upper here. That yellow to that blue, I mean, it's dope. It is real dope. What I would have liked to have seen, if I could have any type of feedback on it, if I could give any type of feedback, what I would have loved to have seen is the laces be sail. The cinnamon laces in there, which is cool too. I don't know if I'd swap them out, but if these were sail, I think that'd just be just a tad bit doper. The same stitching that you see on the back, on the tongue. Dope execution, man. This is a sleeper shoe. I think years down the line, and you see this shoe on feet, I think this is gonna turn heads. I think this is gonna be something that's gonna be really dope. And I don't know if you guys can catch that. I don't know if the camera's catching it, but you can see the texture across the upper here. See the little colored tips on there. Got that same, got the cinnamon, red, yellow, and that blue. The same kind of situation with the extra laces as well, which is pretty dope. That yellow bottom, that canary bottom. Yeah, these are dope. Retail on this bad boy, $130. The official colors are pale vanilla, cinnamon. You're one of those kids, you not be able to say cinnamon right? Cinnamon. I had to cop this at resale. I did not get these from the sneakers app. I hit the button and I fell short, so I did catch these at resale. Resale's not too crazy on these right now, which is a good thing for me. Post a comment below, let me know what you guys think. Would you rock these? Do these make your top 10 list? These might be top Jordan 1 mids. Let me get off so I can go ahead and try to rest, get better so I can get better videos to you guys. But as always, I appreciate you. Keep it locked. Again, subscribe, y'all. I've got some heat. Subscribe, post a comment below, hit that like button, hit that notification bell. I'll keep bringing them to you. Until that next one, y'all be easy. Peace.